Hello everyone. I hope that you all will be safe and fine. Okay, let's start our today's topic, that is prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, what are prime numbers? The numbers have exactly two distinct factors are called prime numbers. Mean the number which has only two factors, that is called prime number. But composite number are the numbers that have more than two different factors are called composite numbers. Having more than two different factors are called composite number. Okay, these definitions will be cleared when you will see the list that I have made for you. I have taken some number. You can see in list A the number is 2, right? Okay, now tell me that the number 2 has how many factor? The word factor mean that on which table 2 comes. Everyone know that 1 2 times 2 mean 2 comes in table of 1 and 2 only comes on table of 2. 2 1 times 2, 2 ones are 2. और कोई ऐसा टेबल नहीं है जिस पर 2 आए. Mean 2 has only two factor, 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. So 2 has only two factors, two distinct factors. So 2 is a prime number. Similarly, you can see I have one more number 3, and you all know that 3 has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Mean 3 सिर्फ 1 के टेबल पे आएगा. 1 3s are 3 and 3 only come on table of 3. 3 1s are 3. और कोई ऐसा टेबल नहीं है जिस पर 3 आए. It's mean 3, it is also a prime number because it has only two factor, 1 and the number itself. Similarly 5, you all know that 5 has only two factors, 1 and 5. Similarly 7 has only two factors, 1 and 7. क्या कोई और टेबल है जिसपे 7 आते हैं? नो. 1 7s are 7, 7 1s are 7. और कोई ऐसा टेबल नहीं है जिस पर 7 आए. इट मीन 7 हैज़ ओनली two distinct factors. So 7 is a prime number. Similarly 11 has only two factors, 1 and 11. So 11 is also a prime number. There are a lot of prime numbers. After 11 the next prime number is 13, then next prime number is 17. So prime number means that has only two distinct factors are called prime numbers. But in your daily life you can see different type of numbers. You can encounter prime numbers as well as composite numbers. So as in prime number the number has only two factors, but in composite number you will see that a number has more than two different factors. For example, you have a number 4 and you know that 4 comes on table of 1. Mean 1 is a factor of 4. You know 1 is the factor of each and every number. 1 वो number होता है जो हर table पर होगा. So 1 4s are 4. 4 come on table of 1. Similarly 4 come on table of 2. 2 times 4. It's mean 2 is also a factor of 4. Then after 2 4 comes on table of 4. 4 1s are 4. So you can see that in this case the number has more than two factors. यहाँ पर आपके पास जो 4 के factors हैं वो 2 से ज़्यादा हैं. 1 2 and 4. It means 4 is not a prime number because it has more than two different factors. So similarly you can see that in 6, how many factors of 6 are? 6 comes on table of 1, then 2 3s are 6. You know 6 also come on table of 2. 2 3s are 6. Then 6 also come on table of 3. 3 2s are 6. Then 6 come on table of 6 also. Now you can see that the number 6 has more than two different factors. It means 6 is a composite number, not a prime number. Similarly, how many factors of 8 are there? 1 2 4s are 8. It comes on table of 2. Then 4 2s are 8. It comes on table of 4 also. Then 8 1s are 8. Again it is a composite number because it has more than two different factors. Similarly, 9 comes on table of 1, then it comes on table of 3, 3 threes are 9, then it comes on table of 9. So 9, it has also more than 2 different factors, so 9 is a composite number. And then you can see 10, it comes on table of 1, then 2 5s are 10, then 5 2s are 10, then 10 1s are 10. So it is also a composite number. There are a lot of composite numbers after 10, like 12, then 14, then 16, then 18. So this was about prime numbers and composite number. Prime numbers mean that numbers that have only 2 distinct factors, 1 and the number itself. That is called a prime number. But composite number mean the number that has more than 2 different factors are called composite numbers. So list A is showing all the prime numbers and list B is showing the composite numbers. Okay, and I have one more information you can see here in note about 1. What you think about 1, that 1 is a prime number or a composite number? So you must remember 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. 1 को हम ना तो prime number consider करते हैं ना ही composite number consider करते हैं, right? 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Is it clear? So after this concept of prime and composite number, I have a question. I have one more method that is known as prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Prime factorization means a method in which we resolve our numbers into its prime factors, right? And I have a question that express 24 as a product of its prime factors. Okay, I have a number 24 and I want to express this number as a product of its prime factors. So this is a way to represent the number as a product of its prime factors. You will take the number 24 and you will draw this type of division, because you all know about this in your previous classes. So 24, you know that the last digit is 4. The last digit is showing that the number is divisible by 2. जिसके एंड पर even number आ रहा हो, 0 आ रहा हो या even number आ रहा हो, that number is divisible by 2. So 24, I will start from the smallest prime number that will divide 24, and the smallest prime number is 2. So 2 1 time 2, 2 ones are 2, and then 2 is how many times 4? 2 2s are 4, mean 2 12 time 24. Then again 12 comes on table of 2, because the last digit 2 is an even number, so this number is divisible by 2. So you will again take 2, and 2 is how many time 12? 2 6 time 12. Then 6 also come on table of 2. Then what you will again, you will take 2, and 2 is how many times 6? 2 3 times 6 and 3 1 time 3. You will continue your division until 1 comes. ये आपने याद रखना है कि जब भी आप प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में, आप प्राइम फैक्टर्स में अपने नंबर को रिजॉल्व करेंगे, देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम फैक्टर. पहली बात कि आपने हमेशा स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम फैक्टर ही चूज़ करना है. ओके जब तक वो उस प्राइम फैक्टर पर हो रहा है, यू हैव टू डू विद दैट नंबर, एंड यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू योर डिवीजन अंटिल 1 कम्स एट द एंड. जब तक एंड 1 जो है वो एंड में नहीं आएगा, आपने अपनी डिवीजन कंटिन्यू करनी है. देन यू विल स्टॉप वेयर 1 कम्स. वहाँ पर आपने स्टॉप लगाना है जहाँ पर 1 आ गया है. No, our question was that you have to write these prime factors. These are prime factors of 24. So prime factors of 24, you will write these prime factors in form of product. Okay, product mean multiply. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. I have written these prime factors in form of product. Is it clear? So you have to remember one thing, that you will Prime factorization mean you will take only prime numbers over here. अब जैसे 24 है तो 24 तो 6 पर भी आ रहा है, 6 4s are 24, 4 पर भी आता है, 4 6 are 24, but no, 4 and 6 are composite number. You will only choose prime numbers, and you know prime numbers are 2 3 5 7 11 13, then 17, then 19 23 29. So you will only take these numbers over here, and you have to start with the smallest prime number. आपने सबसे पहले सबसे small prime number से start करना है, and you have to continue your division until 1 comes. और कब तक आपने अपनी ये division continue रखनी है? जब तक end पर 1 नहीं आ जाता. Then you will write these prime factors in form of product. Product mean multiply, mean आपने इसको multiply या product form में write कर दिया. Is it clear?